Guided personalized surgery with ExactTech GPS is the latest advancement in technology that provides surgeons with real-time visual guidance in total knee replacement surgery. This advanced platform combines surgeon expertise with a computer system to perform your knee surgery with a goal of advanced accuracy and precision, personalized to your unique anatomy. During total joint replacement surgery, an infrared camera and active tracker technology work together to monitor the position and mechanical alignment of the joint replacement. With a few trackers placed on the patient's bone, the system sends data on each patient's anatomical structure and joint movements to the computer. The computer analyzes this data and displays a 3D model of your bone with calculated key measurements. The surgeon can see important parts of the knee anatomy on the display screen that are normally difficult to view during surgery. The comprehensive visual of your knee helps the surgeon verify precisely where to remove damaged bone and accurately place the implant. When it comes to knee replacement, accurate placement and alignment of the implant components are critical to the overall longevity and function of the implant. Personalized for your unique bone structure and anatomy, ExactTech GPS is designed to provide surgeons with a way to ensure accurate and precise placement of the knee implant, maximizing function and the longevity of the total knee replacement. ExactTech GPS, guided personalized surgery.